Hi everyone, welcome to the Carwas channel. This is your host Dr. Haider Shah. Today we will be talking about a very interesting topic, that is process of literature review for PhD. What are the different what are the different steps you need to understand while carrying out a literature review? So first of all, we need to understand what is the purpose of literature. Why do we do a literature review? So the first purpose is improve understanding. This is what we do for to improve our understanding regarding that area and that particular field. The second purpose of doing literature review is the demonstrate knowledge. While understanding the area, then you have to demonstrate knowledge, that what kind of knowledge you derived from that particular literature review. And the third purpose is update viewer on that. So the overall purpose are what? First is you have to improve your understanding regarding that particular field area. Second is demonstrate your knowledge, that you have knowledge about that area. And third is what? You are updating the viewer regarding that what were the different patterns, how it evolved with the passage of time, and how it reached to that level. So you have to tell all these things in literature. That is the main purpose of literature. Okay, now coming up to our today topic, that is process of literature review for PhD. So today we will be giving you the 8 steps. You need to follow that 8 steps, and then you will be able to do your literature review in a better way. So the first thing is you have to select the topic. And then once you have selected the topic, the first step is search for keywords. When you have already selected your topic, so then whatever your main variables, independent, dependent, mediating, moderating, whatever the variable, so you need to start searching for it. So that was the first thing. Start searching for it. Look for the different words that have been used in a different context, in a different way. So you need to search for keyword. The second step is download influential papers. So you must know what are the reputed journal, prestigious journal, top tier journal. In impact factor journal, RWS, are the Scopus database, or SJRS, whatever the source you use. But you have to be very clear that whether you are downloading the influential papers or not, whether they are from influential journals or not. So try to download the influential papers. Okay, the third step is the find the key researchers in the area. That is very important one. So you need to understand what is going on in the area, how it evolved with the passage of time, and what are the different popular researchers or popular work on that related topic. Okay, the fourth one is your filter the search process. You need to filter the search process. You will get a lot of papers, you will get a lot of work by different people. So you need to filter that search process. You have to keep in mind which papers are closely related to your work and how it is related to your work in context and content as well. Okay, the fifth step is the evaluate and select sources. How you are going to evaluate the source and how you are going to select the source. That's what I recommended, that you must go and see how can you download the papers from impact factor journals, from reputed journals, right? Okay, the sixth step is identify the major work, themes, debates, and gaps. When you will be doing your literature review, meanwhile, you will come to know what are the major work has been done by the previous researchers, what are the different themes, what are the debates, and what are the gaps in the literature, because you need to identify the gaps from the literature review. That's your main purpose, because that gap will be filled by your study. So you need to identify all these things. And then the seventh step is the build a story by making links. You have to build a story. You have to tell from the start how it evolved with the passage of time. What are the different themes? What are the different debates? What are the major work by the different researchers, and how you are going to link it toward your work. So that is what our 8th step is, the final step. Link gaps with your work. Whatever you identified in this whole process, you need to link all these things with your work. That is what would be the gap which you will identify, and then you will link it to your work, what your work is going to contribute, the original contribution of your work. So good luck for your process of literature review for PhD. I hope this video will help you in your PhD. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. And I believe that you will be helping. It will be helping you a lot in your PhD work. So do write in comment section what you think of that videos, or you can email us on info@carvas.com. Thank you very much. Stay blessed. Bye bye.